So sweet. And you want to know what else is sweet? I bet you never thought ice cream could be made in a plastic bag. Well, it is possible, and Maria is here to show us how to shake a couple ingredients up into vanilla ice cream for National Vanilla Ice Cream Day.
Yay! Happy National Vanilla Ice Cream Day, everybody. We went big with this one. So a lot of times with ice cream, we don't have an ice cream maker. Not a lot of people do at home. I know I don't. So we're making ice cream in a bag, and I know how much everybody loves ice cream. I'm so sad Cameron's not here because it's his favorite dessert.
I know
and it's
it.
Molly's too. You guys even did her party.
Yes, we
All
did.
ice cream
All
themed.
ice cream. She loves it. Anytime she can get it. I may or may not have bribed her a couple times with it. Just a couple times. I mean, I think everyone loves it. I think Deb and Kim and Paige love it too, 'cause they're up there.
Maria, this is
digging in.
phenomenal. I can't believe this is you don't need an ice cream maker.
You
to
do
make
not. This is a really fun and easy thing for kids to do, especially on these hot summer days, because it definitely is a cold process to make. So we'll get started here.
So it just starts in a bag.
It starts
I can't believe that.
in a bag. So this is where you can get the kids involved too. I'm going to get Allie involved if you can hold that for
Big
me.
kid at
A big kid at heart. Okay, so I have half and half, or I'm sorry, half and half and whole milk. Use the whole milk, guys. You really want to have that good fat in there. And you just pour it in. I'm using a little bit of vanilla extract just to add a little bit of flavor. If you want to be gourmet with this, you could add the vanilla beans to it and actually see the little specks. And I have just some sugar. I do like using an extra fine sugar in there. And if you wanted, you could actually use like if you wanted a liquid type of sugar, use a maple syrup. I used maple syrup when I was testing this out, and it was delicious.
I bet.
And
And I see you double bagged it here. Why is that?
I double bagged because I learned the hard way that you don't want to get salt into your ice cream, and I'm going to talk to you about exactly what I mean by that. So I'm getting all the air out, and what I'm going to do is, Allie, I'll hand that over to you. I have my bag of ice here, my giant bag of ice. So pop this in, and what you want to do is add your ice, or this is ice cream salt. You can also use kosher salt.
What is ice cream salt?
So it's these big chunks of salt. This is what people traditionally used, actually in those like old school ice cream makers, because essentially what it does is it makes, without being all scientific, it makes ice colder. So it lowers the melting point.
It's like it's like the dry ice thing, probably.
Yeah.
So we just put this in the freezer?
So actually what you do, Allie, you do this.
Oh, you shake it up. Okay.
You shake.
How long do you shake it?
So you shake this up for about 10 minutes. I actually have a video of Grant doing this.
I want to see.
And you can see here. Yeah, that's him doing that. It's so much fun. So this is where you can see he's shaking it up a bunch, and it does. It definitely is an arm workout, guys. I do want to tell you that. But that's why it's so fun. Yes. So this is why, Allie, if you want to grab one, I have the other one that's already been shaken up in.
I feel like kids don't only love to shake things up, but they also love ice for some reason.
They
Molly
do.
loves ice
So this
and
is
ice cream.
why, if you're doing this with the kids, you definitely want to do something like a tea towel and wrap it around to shake it, because 10 minutes can be a long time for the kids to be shaking it, and it's an arm workout. So, but I promise you guys, it works.
How long in the freezer?
I swear. So you actually don't need to pop it in the freezer. We had it in there just so it didn't melt, but it's
Just
actually
shake it for 10
right
minutes
after
and that's
10 minutes, it will be like this.
No way.
Yes. Isn't it amazing? It's so fun to do, especially around the pool when it's so hot outside. And you scoop it into here.
I'm going to scoop it into here.
Please.
You tell me about these sprinkles. Homemade sprinkles?
I'm very excited about this. I have been
this is delicious.
trying
It really
to come
is.
up with a recipe for homemade sprinkles.
You know
Oh
what?
my gosh.
It tastes so like quality ingredients.
Yes.
It's not like a bunch
Very
of processed,
Exactly.
you know.
And so,
it is
and that's the
all-
thing with the
we know
sprinkles. So with the
everything.
sprinkles, it's just powdered sugar, meringue powder, a little bit of lemon juice, and that kind of takes any kind of like flatness away. The lemon juice will brighten it up. You use, you can use like a vanilla extract. If this is, it's Christmas in July, so Deb, I know you like peppermint. So if you wanted to add like a
Love
peppermint
peppermint.
flavor,
Why,
it'd be
Debbie?
so good for
do.
that Christmassy type of flavor.
How do we do
So and then you whip it all up, and it becomes like a stiff, almost like meringue. Color it with just some food coloring. You can find natural food colorings as well. Paige
Paige
hates
is
it.
literally licking.
Okay, so you guys, I am using I'm using with the smallest
think
tip
they've
I can
never had
find,
a
either a
bite.
1 or a 2, and you just put it in the piping bags, and this is all you do. It's going to take a little bit of squeezing, and this is all you do. And you just do this, and you do lines of this. Allie, if you want to try one, I have a tray already, because what you want to do is let it dry for 24 hours. That's it.
So no
And
baking,
no
nothing.
baking or anything. It's like a meringue where it's going to just dry out.
Pretty easy,
And look
too.
at, you just do this, and they look like this, and you just break them up into little pieces, and you have homemade sprinkles.
Oh my God, you made like custom colors and stuff. I love that so much. And then this is your like chocolate hard shell recipe. That's
so
going to be on our
just
website.
on the website, it's truly just melted chocolate with some coconut oil. Oh, we do miss Cameron. Like they would love this. It's got coconut oil in it. You just add your spring. Oh, perfect.
Maria, you're like the ice cream unicorn.
You really are an ice cream princess.
You really are. God bless National Vanilla Ice Cream
Yes.
Day.
Yay!
Love you, Maria. That was
Cheers.
amazing.
Oh my gosh.
You all
that's
make
so
sure to
good.
visit hallmarkchannel.com for the full instructions. And stick around because up next, Orly is turning Christmas sweaters into mittens. Come on back, everyone. Bye.